Now let's be honest, most people enter the crypto space and start buying random coins, and that is why so many people end up losing their money. But what if I tell you that the real way to earn long term, it's simply building a strong portfolio and holding on to it for years. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that step by step using CoinEx, and then I'm going to teach you guys the strategies most beginners miss. Before we continue, here is a quick disclaimer. This video is only for information and education purpose. I am not a financial advisor, and nothing as said in this video should be considered as a financial advice. Before putting your money into the crypto market, make sure you do your own research, because crypto comes with a lot of risk. Coins can go up today and come down tomorrow, so there is really no guarantee when it comes to crypto. All right, so what is a crypto portfolio? A crypto portfolio simply means spreading your money across different coins instead of putting everything into one coin. Now this actually helps you protect your losses, and it gives you more chances of hitting big over time. Let's quickly look at the platform I personally use, which is called CoinEx. It is a crypto exchange where you can buy, sell and manage multiple coins all in one place, and works perfectly if you want to build a long-term portfolio. You can also download the application on the Google Play Store and App Store, go through the registration process, and of course you need to verify your account before you'll be allowed to trade on the platform by buying, selling or managing multiple coins. And once you bought the coin, you can track everything in one place. Let's talk about something even more important: the strategy behind a long-term crypto portfolio. Now a strong crypto portfolio usually have these three types of coins. Number one is the safe coins. These are the big coins like Ethereum and Bitcoin, and the reason is because they are more stable and form the foundation of your crypto portfolio. The second type of coins is growth coins. Now these are coins that are basically still growing. They may not be huge yet, but they have real technology and potential to grow big over time. And a good example include projects in AI, gaming or smart contracts. The third type of coins is risk coin. These are smaller projects. Some of them might explode and some might fail, so never put too much money here. It should just be a small portion of your portfolio. So here is a simple way to split your crypto portfolio. Again, this is not a financial advice. When it comes to crypto, there's nothing guaranteed, so make sure you invest what you can afford to lose. Here is basically how I personally divide my crypto portfolio, and if you want to do this, you can also do it as well. The first thing I do is to invest 50% of my money into safe coins, which is Ethereum and Bitcoin. The second thing I do is to invest 30% of my money into growth coins. These are coins that are still growing. It has the potential to grow, but you don't want to risk too much. And lastly, high risk coins. This could be meme coins that just pop out and everybody is talking about it. These coins could be a pump and dump coin, so you literally don't want to invest high in them. Now for example, if you have $1,000 in your portfolio, the best thing to do is to put $500 in safe coins, $300 in growth coins, and $200 in high risk coins. Now this basically keeps your portfolio balanced, because small coins can explode, but your bigger coins protect you when the market dips. Alright, so let's talk about how to pick good coins. Again, this is not a financial advice, but before buying any crypto coin, these are the 4 things I suggest you should check. The first thing to check is, does the project solve a real problem in real world? Because strong project has real use cases. The second thing to check is, does it has a strong team? Because serious teams build strong projects. The third thing to check is the community active? Because a strong community helps the project grow. And lastly, the fourth thing to check, based on my own experience, is, has the project survived market crashes? Because coins that survive bear markets are usually strong. Now also, here is the secret most beginners ignore. Number one, the people who make the most money in the crypto space are the patient ones. They don't panic sell, they don't chase every new coins that just come out. They stick to their plan, keep building their portfolio, and let time work for them. Crypto basically moves in cycles. Sometimes it's quiet, sometimes it is explosive. And your goal is very simple: make sure you are holding a strong coin, so that when crypto explodes again, you will be in massive gains. Alright, so just like I mentioned severally in this video is only for information and education purpose. Crypto is very volatile, very risky, and you could stand a chance to lose all your money or make massive gains. So if this video helps you, please take a second to leave a like to this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out anytime I drop another video. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.